So a lot of users who have the Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus have shared in the forums that they're having Bluetooth not working issue with their device, especially with new devices. Basically, the name doesn't show up on their Bluetooth list while pairing. It's just stuck on searching for devices, and even after scanning, the name doesn't appear in the list. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. Alright guys, so first of all, when it's not showing up, we're gonna just turn off Bluetooth and then force quit this section. After that, re-enter and turn on Bluetooth and then just check if your problem is solved. Now, if you're having the same issue, first make sure the device is near to your S25. Also make sure it's got enough charge to perform the pairing process. And of course, depending on which device, make sure they're on pairing mode. And just in case, if you have just unpaired from any other device, and then if it's not showing up in this Bluetooth list on S25, just go ahead, depending on whatever device you're using, just reset the device once. And please remember, there are some Bluetooth headphones that doesn't enter pairing mode while it's on charge, so make sure that's not your issue. And lastly, if too many devices are connected with your S25, just go ahead and unpair some or all of them. If the name is still not showing up, maybe some software glitch is responsible for that, so we are gonna force restart our device. Just press and hold this volume down and power button till the screen goes black, and in about 1 minute, it will reboot by itself. Alright guys, so if you're still here, your problem is not solved. Don't worry. Now just go ahead, open up settings, then go to apps. Now tap on this downward arrow and make sure show system app is enabled, and then press OK. Now in here, search for Bluetooth. Enter. Scroll down to change system settings. Make sure it's enabled. Also go back to install unknown apps. Make sure it's enabled as well. In most cases, your problem will be solved. If it's still there, bothering you every now and then, we're gonna just reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on our device. So for that, let's open up settings once again, and then simply search for reset. From here to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. In our reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, just make sure you have your Wi-Fi password because it will reset it, and then just tap on reset settings. And then let's go ahead, try to pair any new device with your S25. I'm absolutely sure you will no longer have any Bluetooth issues anymore. Thanks for watching.